What is up, everybody in YouTube land? It is your friendly neighborhood appliance technician, Chris, and we're in my shop, and we have a direct drive washing machine here, and I'm gonna kind of go over a problem that may fake you out on these things. I know it did me the first time I encountered it, so I kind of wanted to put the information out there. This applies to all machines that were made sometime in the 2000s to the end of production of these things. This is an estate model. And this was estate was kind of the bottom of the barrel when it came to like Whirlpool's brands. Estate and Roper were kind of on par with each other. So you'll see a lot of this in pretty much across the board once you get into the 2000s. Early 2000s it was some of the higher end direct drive machines. But this applies to direct drive machines that are pretty much the majority of them that are going to be out there that you will see either in the wild or that you might pick up on the side of the road somewhere. So stay with me and we're going to get to this very common issue that may indeed fake you out. Stay with us. Guys, this here is kind of a problem that you'll see going on. We've got this machine filling up, as you can see, and you'll hear it kind of having this water hammer effect. You see that hose is jumping there. This is always a symptom of what they call the automatic temperature controller, and it is your temp setting right here. I'll pull this console off. I'll tell you how to get to that. And we'll show you exactly how to replace this guy in a minute. Okay, now we're focused on this one here. So what I usually do is first pop the knob off, and then what I'm going to do also is and I've already done this here, is get to this screw and this screw on the back side of the console. You'll have to kind of stick your screwdriver down at that, kind of like that, to grab the Phillips head screw right there. So we'll go ahead and flip this console over. Okay, and there, right here, is the automatic temperature controller. You'll pull this little thing out of here, okay, and there's a little tab right here, okay. Now, I don't know if you can see that there. There's a little tab. What you're going to do is just quarter turn it, pulls right out, put the new one in, same way. Actually, that's the way we need to go. And then you'll hear it click. And you'll put your connector in, just like that, till you hear it click. Flip that console over, back to where we're supposed to be. Kind of need two hands to do this. Bada boom. Right there. This goes by several different part numbers, but the one that we took out is this part number. And the other one has an 856 part number. This is just the updated version of what's in here right now. They have a little microprocessor. Well, I shouldn't say microprocessor. A couple little logic chips in this board, and they go bad. They start screwing up. And this is kind of that water hammer feature, or that kind of hose jumping, or whatever you hear. Sometimes you'll hear them sound like a machine gun. It'll always be this. It's never your water valve. When I first started in this trade, I kind of mistook this for a water valve once, and it turned out to be my undoing in that call. But this W10112532, this number should cross, and I'll put in the title, I'll have the updated description to this. So what we do to verify is we test. You can hear it filling. Switches back and forth just fine. There you go. We're done, guys. That's pretty much, like I said, probably 2000s they were using these, sometime in the early 2000s. is when they kind of started. It was the first of kind of the water saving features. It's a very common issue, guys. So hope that helps some of you guys out there. Thank you very much for watching. I sure appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode.